Oh. No, it's alright, buddy. I got it. Oh, look at that. Your dune buggy's here. Look at that dump truck, huh? Cool. It's an Isuzu. I didn't even know Isuzus made dump trucks till my father got this. Oh, there's the delivery guy. There's Pa. Pa, the delivery guy. What is this? Whoa! That's cool looking. Right now it's a coaster. This is for my kids, so pretty much, and for me and or friends, you know, pretty much just an extra one, extra go-kart for romping around on. There it is. Sweet. That is sweet. You see how much more simple, you know, this is like a step down from what I got, you know, much more simple, but the great thing about it is it's much easier to work on, you know, than mine, way less complicated, so it's a good starter, you know what I mean, it's a good starter build to learn on. My kids can learn too. I'll tell my kids, you know, when I see them today, I'll show them this video.
Know how to fix that.
Yeah.
You gotta learn how to weld now.
Right. Yeah, no, this is mostly just all common sense. But I'll let my kids know, you know, if it breaks, you're gonna learn how to fix it. And if you want to take it out of the yard, then, you know, you might have to help me pay for trail passes and stuff. Better get a paper route. All right, cool, man. Awesome.